running, and you guys are going to be able to. You understand that? Welcome back to Fab Mode Detailing. You guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at two different types of waxes from Distinctive Details. Let's do it. All right, you guys, so in this video, I'm not comparing the two against each other. I want to show you two different options from Distinctive Details when it comes to carnauba waxes or a very quick wax. So the very first one is going to be Splendor Premium Automotive Wax. This is an aerosol, obviously, as you can tell. It is a spray on, wipe, allow it to dry to a haze, which is fast. I have used both these products already, and then wipe off. Very easy, effortless wipe off. We will be using it on a black panel so you guys can see. It says spray Splendor lightly on the painted surface, spread evenly with a clean applicator pad, allow to dry to a haze, remove residue with a clean soft polishing cloth, and it really is that easy. It says Splendor is a quick and easy wipe on, wipe dry wax which requires no tedious detailing. Splendor is non-abrasive and water repellent. Use Splendor on chrome and wheels. So yeah, you can use it on chrome, wheels, and paint. So it's a very versatile product. It's easy to use, and it's on my van, and it's been on there now for well over a month, and it is still going strong whenever I see rain on it. So we're gonna check this product out right here. And then you guys know me, I love paste waxes. I always have. It's just the feeling you get when you're using a paste wax on your car. It takes you back to the good old days, literally the good old days anymore. But this one comes in a can, an actual metal can. This is 14 ounces, so there's a lot of wax inside of here. This is a carnauba-based wax. It is a wipe on, allow to dry to a haze, and then remove. I have let this sit on the paint for an hour and came back and wiped it off and had zero issues at all. So you can wax the entire car with this product before wiping it off. I may do a video in the future doing it on an entire car, but right now I'm still just testing products that I'm selling on the truck, and we're just kind of doing small panels at a time. But both of these have really surprised me. So I wanted to show you guys how good these products are, how easy they are to use, how great the hydrophobics are. Are they gonna be long lasting? I don't know. Carnauba is typically about a month, maybe two. This product right here, like I said, has been on well over a month on my van. So we'll see how long it lasts on the van, and then I kind of get an idea. But the most important part of this video is showing you guys the easy on, easy off, and the hydrophobics, because you guys are going to love the hydrophobics because they are almost coating level, if not coating level hydrophobics. Carnauba and paste waxes are not dead, and I'm going to show you in this video. You guys, if you notice this hood, this is the hood that I had in the video I did with the collaboration with Pan the Organizer when I put 3 different ceramic coatings up against each other, hit them with a bunch of chemicals, then actually lit it on fire. It's been sitting around for a while ever since then, so I have polished it, completely removed anything that's possibly left over. The fire pretty much did the majority of the damage anyways, but I did a heavy polish, a fine polish, and then I hit it with the paint prep 3 times. And then as you can see in the video right here, there is nothing left on this panel. The panel is completely stripped. The water is just sitting there flat, and now we're ready to apply these. Okay, you guys, so we're going to start off with the Splendor wax first. Do shake it. It does have a ball in it. Shake it up really good. It says to spray it on the surface. For this video, I will spray it right here, but not over here, because this is going to be our control section right here. I'm not going to put anything right here, so I don't want to take a chance. I'll spray it on the applicator to do it right here. Let me show you guys. This stuff flashes really fast. Okay, and you're just going to take your applicator. You're just going to apply it just like that. I'm hoping I didn't get that on that control section. Okay, and then I'm going to spray it right into my applicator to put it on the rest of it. You can do circles, you can do whatever you want. And that's it. And literally it's probably ready to come off right now. So that's probably what we'll go ahead and do. It does not take long at all with this product. Yeah, it's ready. It's ready to come off. I mean, it is so fast. And wipe off is an absolute breeze. That's so slick. Super, super slick. Show you guys what it looks like. No streaking, as you can tell. Very easy wipe off. Panel's very slick. Okay, I'm hoping I didn't get it right there. I may have got in that control section, even though I sprayed it over here. So now with the Excel Carnauba paste wax, you guys, we will have to apply this, and I'm gonna have to let it sit up for probably 5 minutes at least. So I'll turn the camera off and then back on when I'm ready to remove it. Here's what the wax looks like. All we're gonna do is we're gonna take an applicator, the clean side, we're gonna come in here. I buy one of everything that I'm selling extra so I can test it. And we're just gonna apply it like we would back in the old days. Not everybody wants to do ceramic coatings, guys. Hope my microphone's not rattling around. Just make sure we get a good coat, just like I would on my car. That's it. We're gonna let this cure, and when it's ready to come off, I'll turn the camera back on. All right, you guys, so it is ready to come off. I have periodically been swiping it. It's been about 10 minutes, and it's finally ready to come off. And please ignore, I just noticed in the camera, you guys can see this mess up here. I have products everywhere, testing stuff. Just please ignore the garage right now. Let me show you, easy wipe off. Very simple. Like most paste waxes, it does tug just a little bit when you first start. It does not feel as slick as the other side. Well, we're going to find out if it is. We're going to do a little test here. I've never done this on the channel before. We're going to see. All right, so there you go. Let me show you what that looks like. You see, it looks really good. Very, very easy removal. So far, I've been really happy with everything I've tested from Distinctive Details. Okay, you guys, what we're going to do, I have two 1-inch pads right here, as you can see. These are the washer nozzles, where the washer nozzles normally go. I'm going to set both these right over the middle of both of them, so they're the exact same spot of the hood. I'm going to try to make this as even as I can. Put my hands right behind both pads. Hopefully I don't drop the hood. We'll see which one moves first, but I bet it's the one on my right. Oh no! Oh! Okay, so under the towel, this one feels slicker, but they both feel really slick with the back of my fingers, but that's surprising. Okay, well, see, that's why we do tests like these, because I thought that felt slicker, but that's obviously slicker right there. Remember, this is our control section. Let's see what it does. We're going to start with a shower setting. Let's start with the Splendor side. See? It is hot out here too, by the way. The Excel paste wax side, look at that. That paste wax is so awesome. Like I said, it's like coating level hydrophobics on that. Here's our control, as you can see. Splendor wax is sheeting the water really well. We can pretty much sheet this right off with the setting. We need to be fair on this though, because it's kind of sitting on a little bit of a hill. We will put this thing up and down and see what it looks like. See, it's more of a sheeter, but that right there is so good. Big old beads running off, beads inside beads. That's what that is right there, that little dot. That's a bead inside a bead. Same thing on the Splendor side though. You get some beads inside the beads, but it is more of a sheeter. Let's go ahead and put it straight up and down and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like if it's on a side panel. Splendor. See, that sheets water right off. And then Excel. Look at those hydrophobics, you guys. I love this Excel wax, but I'm a big paste wax guy anyways, but both easy to use. This one's just a really fast application process, this one. And it sheets right off. Let's see if we can sheet the Splendor side dry. Pretty much. Excel side. Oh yeah, definitely. Look at that. That is completely dry. This one's almost dry. As you can see, there's a little bit of water there. But look at the difference between this and this. That is amazing. Now I'm gonna put it up here, we'll wet it and we'll see how well they dry. Okay, so you come out to your car after shopping, you got some water on it before you go to work in the morning. What's it gonna do when you take off with the wind? That dries easy. As you can see, the control section has a hard time drying. The Excel side's dry. This side's pretty much dry. So once again, you guys, this is not a video putting the Excel versus the aerosol. It's two different types of waxes. So it's two different choices, a really fast aerosol or a carnauba paste that you allow to cure before you remove. This one's really fast removal, but I was telling you guys at the beginning of the video that this wax has hydrophobics that look like a coating, and it does. The beads sit up off the paint and just roll right off. This one is more of a sheeter than it is a beater, but it still does bead. Just not as tight as that. But I love doing tests like this, you guys, because it's fun seeing two different types of products and how the hydrophobics compare to each other. That's why I love doing stuff like this. Okay, you guys, so the day is quickly approaching where you will be able to purchase these Distinctive Details products that I've been reviewing in a lot of my videos, you guys, and everything I've used so far, I've absolutely loved. I know the day is going to come where I use a product, I'm like, that was okay. That happens with every company's products that I've ever used the entire time I've been detailing for over 20 years. It's just that way. But so far, everything I've used, I have liked. Their prices are extremely good. They're economical. They're not going to break the bank when you guys buy them, and you get bigger versions than most companies are going to give you, and usually for less amount of money. Both these products are here. Easy on, easy off. The Splendor wax is more of a sheeter. It does bead, but it's more of a sheeter. The Excel wax is, like I said, almost coating level hydrophobics. Really tall, nice beads, but it will sheet off also, as you notice, because it's so slick. You notice in the sun, there's no streaking, there's no wax that I missed. It's so easy to remove both of these products, and it's going to save time and money, especially for professional detailers. If somebody doesn't want to put a ton of money into their car, they're like, hey, just give me a wash and give me a quick wax. You want to save money? Use a product like this. You can get this on and off the whole car in no time and get the customer out the door and save yourself some money and some time. That way you make better money. How about that? But the Excel paste wax is going to give that customer that hydrophobics they're looking for when they pick it up, or you personally. Obviously, both products, they're not meant to last forever. You probably get a month or two out of the Excel paste wax. And so far, like I said earlier, I'm over a month on this on the van. But I will see as I go on how long it lasts. But typically products like this, you guys, 2 to 3 months is usually your max. And if you're the type of person that doesn't mind getting out and spending some time with their vehicle and applying protection, there's nothing wrong with that. I don't think ceramic coatings are for everybody. I don't. Not everybody wants to do them, and I get it. So there's still people like me even. I don't want to do a ceramic coating all the time on my personal cars or anybody else's. I really enjoy applying waxes. So these types of products appeal to certain people and they don't appeal to other people. And I completely get that, you guys. But love both products, and once my website is up and running, you guys will know. I will put a video out so you guys will know, so you can go and buy these products. You've been seeing me make videos on, like the cheater wax, the ceramic maintenance shampoo, and I'm trying to remember what all the products I use in my other videos. But you'll be able to buy the products you've been seeing me test very, very soon, and you guys will know as soon as it happens. I'll put a video out the day that the website goes live, so you guys can go and you can check it out. Just please be patient with me when I do that, because we're going to add a bunch of products right now, which we're doing. But then as I build the website, as it gets going, I'll be adding more and more products, because you got to add the products, the pictures, the the narrative, you know, what the product is, what it's about, the directions, the price, and all that stuff. You guys, it's just not real easy to do. Luckily, I got a buddy that's doing it, helping me out. Fred from Glove Box, you guys, is actually him and another guy are helping me build the website. They're really good at what they do, and I look forward to seeing the website when it's all done and ready to go. So I've been blabbering on and on. Both these products excellent, as you guys noticed in the video, and I have no issues with these at all. Absolutely love them. I've been using them. I've been testing them. That's why I was like, I got to make a video on these because people are going to love this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Join the Fab family. We'd love to have you. We'll see you in the next video.